Welcome back to The Final Cut, your daily pulse in horror. I'm Travis, and today we're talking about big remake rumors, haunting medieval ghost stories, and one wild horror comedy adaptation. Let's get into it. First up, reports have tied J.T. Mollner, the director of Strange Darling, to a Texas Chain Saw Massacre remake alongside Glenn Powell. But Mollner himself is saying, not so fast. In a recent interview, he made it clear he's not interested in remaking what he calls one of the most perfect horror films ever made. Mollner says he's allergic to remakes of classics and praised both the first Chainsaw and its sequel as untouchable pieces of cinema. So while Hollywood is still circling the IP with studios like A24, Netflix, and Paramount rumored to be in the mix, it won't be Mollner bringing Leatherface back to theaters. My question for you guys is, do you agree with Mollner? Should some horror classics be left alone? Let me know your answers in the comments ahead. Next, let's jump to medieval Europe. Anna Biller, director of The Love Witch, is back with her boldest project yet, The Face of Horror. The film stars Jonah Hauer-King, Kristine Froseth, Bella Heathcote, and Ellie Bamber in a twisted retelling of Yotsuya Kaidan's Japan's most famous ghost story. The plot follows betrayal, murder, and revenge as a knight trades love for ambition, only to unleash a spectral nightmare. Biller's signature technicolor style is all over this one, and early's looks promise something unapologetically bloody and stylish. My question for you guys is, are you ready for a medieval ghost story with Anna Biller's technicolor spin? Let us know what your answers will be in the comments ahead. Finally, let's talk horror comedy. Sophia Takal, director of Always Shine and the Black Christmas remake, is adapting Samantha Allen's queer horror comedy novel, Patricia Wants to Cuddle. The story follows the contestants of a reality dating show who find themselves on a remote island, only to discover that Patricia, the local recluse, is out for more than love. Think satire, slasher, and survival all wrapped into one bloody package. My question for you guys is, are you down for horror that mixes reality TV parody with slasher mayhem? Let me know your answers in the comments ahead. Today's take: horror is thriving when pushing boundaries. Whether it's refusing to touch sacred classics like Mollner with Texas Chain Saw Massacre, or embracing bold, weird mashups like Patricia Wants to Cuddle, the genre stays alive when filmmakers aren't afraid to be bold, even if it means risking backlash. If you're listening to today's show on Spotify, make sure you answer today's Spotify poll question. If you have a tip or breaking news for us here on The Final Cut, shoot us a DM in the socials. That's it for today's episode of The Final Cut, your daily pulse in horror. Which story had you talking? Chain Saw Rumors, Anna Biller's Technicolor Nightmare, or Patricia's Bloody Cuddle Fest? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Follow us on socials at HMUNCUT, at Travis Nyquil with an extra L. And as always, keep the lights on. We will see you guys next week.